Hello guys, welcome to my andwintech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix pending verification on your Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're facing pending verification on your Roblox, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to open your Roblox. In this below you can see here three dots. Just tap on that. Scroll down a little bit, tap on settings. First option you can see here, account info. Just tap on that. In this you can see here email ID. Already it is my verified. If in your guys, if in your side it is showing need to be verified, you just need to send a mail, or you can just send a verification link from here. After that you will receive a verification link in your registered email ID. You just need to open your email ID and tap on verify that link. After verifying, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix pending verification on your Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.